welcome back to Bad Q Garage. Down here at Armadale Auto Parts, checking out the Caffeine and Gasoline event. So many cool cars here. Let's go for a walk around, show you what it's all about. Let's get into it. Got the Pantera, beautiful car. Very nice hot rod. Beautiful. Don't see Sigmas every day. Some very nice cars here. That Monaro. What a massive turnout. Cars everywhere, they're still rolling in. Very nice HZ LS conversion. G'day, mate. How you going?
Mate, right?
Good to see you.
Yeah.
Pretty good. Pretty good, thanks.
Decent turnout, eh?
It's an awesome turnout. How you going, mate?
Pete,
Yeah.
the workshop, I think.
Yeah. Always running into fans. Hey, man. How you going? Nice panel van there. 1 tonner. This 57 is running my old 350 Chev, 4-bolt main.
Big radiator?
Yeah, it's a huge radiator. Awesome car that is. They rebuilt this from scratch. Beautiful interior. Love it. Nice car that. Couple of hot rods over there. Got the Torana. Got the roof rack addition, which is cool. VS GTS. Check out the EH wagon. That's nice. Beautiful HR that's nice. Get a load of this. 55 Chevy.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Nah, it's a Ford. Got that one wrong. Green on that, it's beautiful. XY Overlander. Very nice. It's cool. This Monaro here, that is sensational. HK GTS 2-door. So at the Armadale Auto Parts, just in there. This event is on every public holiday usually. Most public holidays. They're always got a good turnout. Some really amazing cars. It's always something different. Something interesting going on with this ute. Got big wheels on the back. What's going on there? Wow.
I hope it's got some good brakes, eh?
RB26 GDR. That's cool. That's a nicely built motor, that.
It's got some good brakes on it.
It'll have factory brakes for sure.
Yeah, of course.
And they're good enough.
You do that last.
Yeah.
Oh, jeez. Toranas. Very nice. And it just keeps going and going and going forever. We'll look at some of the hotties in here. Got the Chevy Nova. Two-door HQ. Plymouth. HJ Premier. Very nice. I like the wheels on that. Beautiful. Mark's Juice DK. This thing's a bit of a weapon. Got the big mouth. What a beast. Mark's Tough Q. Very nice Torana. That's Aaron's Beast. Alright, let's see what else is here. Landau, beautiful. Nice.
The magnums. The magnums, not the it is cars, Small world, eh?
440 Magnum in that. Beautiful.
Seems to be the favourite.
HQ Prem. Now that is nice. Okay, that's a bit different. We'll look at that in a sec. HQ Prem. Tory. Nice. There you go, mate. That's good.
Beautiful day for us.
It is. Very much so. Patinaed HG. Beautiful. Instigator. Beast of a car. Beautiful HQ panel van coming down. That's nice. How cool is this? All the airbrushing. That looks cool. Consul something? I don't know. Never seen it before. Haven't heard of one of these. But I love that airbrushing. That's cool. Consul, yeah, I thought it was a Consul or something. Yeah. Made in England. It's a Ford. Wow. Something different. I have to leave him a card. Hopefully get an interview later on. Nice. Mythical. This one's been on Aussie Garage a few times. Mythical. Yeah, they've been on Aussie Garage before. White HQ. Statesman, beautiful. Hey mate, how you going? You got your panel van here?
No, home, mate.
Ah, bugger. Okay.
So I'll be going to that as well.
Cool. Chevette. Nice. That's in them every day. 12 in one spot. P76. And another one. They're always turning up to this event. SR 5000. Auto Life Perth. Check out the panel van coming through. That's very nice. Very cool. SR 5000. Beautiful Alex. Very nice. Old Hilux. Shout out to Car Craze Carol. Get some really cool content. What a turnout. There's Yankee. Slab. Beautiful. Torana, this one. LH2 Envy. That's Phil doing his thing. Don't interrupt him.
Thank you for that.
Alright, hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Bit of a walk around. There's plenty of interviews on the Aussie Grader video, so go and check that out. Phil's done a great job with some of the interviews, so it'd be fantastic if you could jump across and check that video out. That'll be out in about a week or so, probably 2 weeks. Yeah, anyways, see you on the next video. Catch us around.